What's going on everybody, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make spiced honey glazed carrots. To get this recipe started, we're going to preheat our oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Then in a spice grinder or mortar and pestle, we're going to grind up 1 star anise. Then once that's done, we're going to add it to a bowl. Then in the same bowl, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar, and 1.5 tablespoons of squeezable honey. We then want to pour in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and mix all of this together. Then once that's mixed, we're going to add another 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then once that's done, we're just going to put it aside. Then for the next step, here I have 800 grams of baby carrots. We're just going to peel these and top and tail them. And with the carrot peels, you can save this for a stock or just get rid of them. We're then going to take the tops off. And you can also save these ends for a stock as well. We're then going to come through and cut these in half on a diagonal. And if you have any larger ones, you can cut them into thirds. Then once the carrots are all chopped up, I'm going to transfer them to a roasting pan. I'm then going to pour over our honey and spice mix. Then with clean hands, I'm just going to rub all of this through. Going to season with a teaspoon of sea salt and about 10 cracks of black pepper. We're then going to roast these in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until nice and tender. And we're going to stir them halfway through. Then after 20 minutes, we're going to carefully mix them around and place them back in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until nice and tender. Then after 40 minutes, our carrots are beautifully roasted and smelling absolutely amazing. And then this part's optional, but I'm just going to garnish these with a little bit of chopped fresh parsley. And there we have our beautiful spiced honey glazed carrots. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to teach you something. If you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to like, share and comment. And if there's any recipes that you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make them. I hope you'll have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.